Hi guys, welcome back to Farm Sim and back to the Yukon River Valley map here. We are up here. Uh, okay, the game is loading. Loading and saving. Alright. We are up here at Peasant Pond here. We have a north pit up there as well, and we are testing this sawmill at the north Peasant Pond. Alright, we are gonna speed up the time a little bit. Gonna speed it up to 15 because we want to test the sawmill out. We're still in the verge of testing it. And when you turn the time up, it goes a lot faster. Speed it up to 30 here. Up to 60. Now that is an old sawmill from Fs19. I can hear it on the sound. That guy in there, he's singing while he's working. You don't see that guy working or singing in there. It's just the sound that they have put into this sawmill here. From Fs19, they converted the sawmill over. I think it is. I think they converted it over. You can't really go into the sawmill here. Wow, look at this, guys. Our split wood here is filling right up, guys. That is awesome. Look at that, guys. 8,250. And our longboards are filling up as well. That is brilliant. 7,000 liters here of longboard. And there comes our next split wood on pallets. Oh, that's a little bit too fast here. I'm gonna stay here at 120. So let's see how much that is. 10,000 liters, that's 100% here. So we have 10,000 liters of longboard, which is 100%. Here we have also 10,000 liters of split wood, which is also 100%. And we have the next one going here already. So let's have a look at the kegs. Here are the kegs. 10,000 liters, which is 100%. Yeah. And we are filling up already. Alright. So let's see if we can watch this fill up. We have here 18.75%. Okay, we can't because that's not gonna stay there very long. Let's check the wood chips here. Yeah, you can see our pile of wood chips here. Now you can use these wood chips here and put them back in here to keep your sawmill up and running. That is for what those wood chips are for. 26,250 liters of wood chips we have in here. Brilliant. I might test that later on. If we have enough wood chips here, I'm gonna test if we can pour the wood chips that are coming out here, pour them back in here. First of all, we're gonna leave the sawmill running. For a while, at least anyway. We can also... I'm gonna test if we can get the wood chips out with a bucket and our wheel loader. We have a wheel loader there. Yeah, we have a wheel loader. How much do we have here? 34,000. I'm gonna buy a shovel. There's our bucket. We're gonna jump into the wheel loader here and we're gonna grab some wood chips and see if we can pour it into that. Alright. And we also see that our sawmill has lit up. All the lights are on. Let's see if that works. Let's see if we can get them out of there with the bucket as well. No, that doesn't work. Not like that. I thought that might work. No. No, can't get him out like that. No, that probably doesn't work either. And you can see the wood chips on the conveyor belt here. That is awesome, guys. Look at that. Look at the wood chips coming out on this conveyor belt here. Brilliant. You can see the wood chips here. Awesome, guys. Look at this. We're looking right into the building from the camera perspective point of view. We have a long conveyor belt system here for the wood chips. Alright. That is awesome. Let's see if we can fill the shovel here from the spout. See if that works. I'm gonna put some lights on here. Yeah, that works. We're gonna press the R key. And as you guys can see, we have our shovel filled with wood chips. Alright, brilliant. So let's see if we can pour the wood chips in here with our shovel. Yeah, that works. Alright. Brilliant. And what else we need to test is we're gonna put the wheel loader here. Don't think we can attach a trailer here. So we're gonna buy a little tractor. And a trailer. So let's buy here a mid-sized tractor, that guy here. I'm gonna buy him real quick. And we're gonna buy a little trailer. Trailers are here. We're gonna buy this guy here. 4,000 liters. And we're gonna drive underneath this boat here. Press the R key here and we're putting up. Alright, that works. And now we want to fill the wood chips in here. And that's what we are doing. We're filling up here the wood chips. Alright, that works. We're gonna sell him. Sell this guy here. Sell the shovel, that works. Alright. You see how much wood chips we have here? 72,375. The coal or wood chips that we have left over here are 126,000. Here we are filling up the kegs. That is awesome, guys. Look at that. We have only 3 more platforms to go here. That is brilliant. Here we can see the overview. We have the long boards here. We can see the overview, the output there. The barrel there at 69%. The split wood here are at 84. The long boards here are at 56. They take a while longer. And the wood chips, they also take a while longer as well. They're only at 26%. So you can see the longboards here, brilliant. Longboards here as well. And here you have the split wood. We have that to go and one more here. And then those guys are pretty much done. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to go. Alright. And that 5th one there is going also. On the keg side, we have 1, 2. Is that done? That is not quite done. That's only at 12.5%. Yeah, the wood chips are at 28%. Barrels are at 77. The split wood is almost done. They're at 93%. So it's only that platform left to go here. Then that split wood is pretty much done. We're gonna wait until this sawmill gets done. How many logs do we have left over? Let's go back to the overview. Logs 64%, wood chips, straw or coal 54%. So while that is getting less, the output is getting more. Alright. I think the split wood is pretty much 92.5, 100% done. Splitwood is done. I don't know why the sawmill here stopped working. Maybe they're taking a break or something. I don't know. We are gonna fast forward a little bit. Yeah, I don't know why that sawmill stopped working. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pull that off to the side there. Like so. We are not out of anything. No, we're not. We still have 53% wood chips left over, and the logs. We have still enough logs left over as well. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, maybe because Splitwood is finished. Yeah. So you get the basic idea of this sawmill, guys. Get the basic idea here. I'm gonna sit this guy here back on, like so. That is done. And that is the end of the sawmill, guys. We're gonna jump into our vehicle here. Let's see if we can get those off of there with the we need. Let's see if that one will work. Let's see if we can get the split wood off with the forks and put these guys to one side. To get this sawmill back up and running so we can get the longboards and the barrels going. Yeah, didn't wanna. I'm gonna have to drag him up there via the hand here, like that. Alright, we're back up and running. Those are done, and we're gonna try and sell them in another video. So we're gonna wait until all those boards get done. There is one more cake to get done. Yeah. Split wood, 80% long wood, and the wood chips there. I'm gonna, maybe I'll sell the wheel loader here and try something different. I'm gonna buy a telehandler, or even this guy here. Yeah, I'm gonna buy that. I wanna see if I can get that split wood off of there. With the forklift here. Put some lights on here. Yeah, you can do it way better with the forklift here. Awesome. Look at that, guys. We're doing it with the forklift. Alright. Now, where did he stop again? Alright. Do we need the lights anymore here? Yeah, we are pretty much done. We're gonna do one more drive around. And here you can see the cakes, the longboards, and the split wood is over there. There are the cakes. And over there we have our wood chips. or a pile of wood chips. That is awesome, guys. So that is that is the video, or the series I should say, on the sawmill here. So thanks for watching here. Let me know what you think of this sawmill video. I will be testing more items here on the map. How much do we have? We have here 100% barrel. Yeah, that is working. No problem whatsoever. Brilliant. Alright. So, thanks for watching here. I'm gonna stand here in front of the barrels here. Probably gonna be a thumbnail or something. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. I hope you have liked this awesome series on the sawmill there. Bye bye.